Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So today we're looking at two powerful tools that help you build workflows, Temporal and N8n. While they may sound similar, they work very differently. Let's break down how they compare so you can find the one that's best suited for your business needs. N8n is like building with blocks. You simply drag and drop nodes to connect your apps, no coding needed. This makes it a fantastic choice for Shopify store owners or anyone who wants to automate tasks without diving into code. For example, you can link Google Sheets to Slack or set up email notifications when someone fills out a form on your website. The visual builder is extremely user-friendly and lets you set up your entire workflow with ease. Plus, N8n connects to hundreds of apps right out of the box, from CRM tools to email marketing platforms, so it's easy to integrate your existing systems. N8n offers a free version that you can host yourself, which is perfect for small businesses or freelancers just starting out. They also offer cloud plans starting at $20 a month, making it affordable as your needs grow. For basic use, N8n is an excellent option for small teams who need quick automation without a steep learning curve. Temporal, on the other hand, is completely different. It's built for developers who are comfortable writing code. You can build workflows using programming languages like Python, Go, or TypeScript. This makes Temporal a much more powerful tool for complex workflows, but it does require a higher level of technical skill. The key advantage with Temporal is its reliability. If your server crashes in the middle of a process, Temporal will pick up exactly where it left off. This feature is especially important for businesses with mission-critical operations, like payment systems or order processing, where even a small mistake can have major consequences. Temporal is free to self-host, but if you opt for their cloud service, it uses a pay-as-you-go pricing model based on the actions you take, which can add up depending on the scale of your operations. So, what's the main difference between these two tools? Well, N8n is visual and easy to use, while Temporal is code-based and bulletproof. N8n is perfect for simple automations, marketing tasks, and quickly connecting apps across your business. Whether you're handling order confirmations, customer feedback, or social media updates. Anyone on your team can use N8n, which makes it ideal for small businesses or teams with limited technical experience. Think of it like building with blocks. You're creating workflows in a straightforward, intuitive way. On the other hand, Temporal shines when you need rock-solid stability for complex business processes that cannot afford downtime. However, to get the most out of Temporal, you'll need developers on your team who can set it up and manage it. It's like having custom engineering for your workflows. The pricing models are also different. N8n charges per workflow run, which is great for smaller, straightforward tasks where you don't need to automate at a large scale. Temporal counts individual actions inside workflows, which makes it more suitable for larger, more complex processes that require higher stability. If you're managing critical systems and need precise control over how workflows run, Temporal is ideal. But if you want quick automation without coding, N8n is the way to go. Many companies actually use both tools together quite successfully. For example, N8n can handle everyday automation tasks like syncing customer data across platforms or automating email follow-ups, while Temporal takes care of the more important mission-critical workflows that need absolute reliability. This combination can give your business the best of both worlds, efficiency and resilience. That's it. Both tools are genuinely great, but they serve different needs. If you're looking for easy-to-use visual automation without the need for coding, N8n is your best bet. But if you're building complex mission-critical systems and have a team of developers to manage them, Temporal will be the better choice. Pick the one that matches your team's needs and workflow complexity. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you make a more informed decision.